After the exams, we all eagerly wait for the result declaration. आज के इस वीडियो में we will discuss about the result declaration date of HSC and SSC 2020 of Maharashtra Board. Now HSC and SSC के एग्जाम्स महाराष्ट्र में यूजुअली फेब एंड मार्च में कंडक्ट होते हैं and result is usually declared by the first week of June. Let me first tell you कि पूरा प्रोसेस क्या होता है पेपर करेक्शन एंड रिजल्ट फॉर्मेशन का. सो पेपर करेक्शन के लिए फर्स्ट एग्जामिनर के पास जाता है who takes around 10 to 15 days to correct the papers. Then the examiner submits the paper to the moderator and the moderator also takes around 10 days to complete the moderation of the papers. Then the paper is submitted to the chief moderator. Now chief moderator का usually काम होता है mainly जो बच्चे fail हो रहे होते हैं उनको पास करना and एक final check करना होता है उनको. So ये पूरा process complete होने के लिए around 30 to 40 days लग जाते हैं. And then finally the paper goes to the result formation department who again takes around 20 to 30 days to finish the result work, and then by first week of June the results are declared. But this year, due to the global pandemic of COVID-19, as the nation was under lockdown, these papers were stuck with the examiners or in the school for a month as no movement was allowed, and because of which the results were delayed. So there is a lot of confusion and many of you might be having various questions कि result कब आएगा और कितना delay होगा. So in the first week of May, the board issued an circular and said that the movement of examiners or moderators or anyone related to the board work will be allowed. But still there were many confusion. But finally some examiners and moderators started their work by mid of May. And इसी time पे the board declared that the results will be out by 10th of June. But it was impossible as in no way in 20 days the entire 2-month process can be completed. Then it was also declared that the board will be considering marks obtained by a student in other 5 subjects to decide the score for geography paper. After the announcement from the board, an official circular was also released by the board about the average marks that will be considered for the cancelled geography paper. Now to speed up the assessment process and the submission process, various centers were set up at various places. But still it was not possible to complete the entire process and to declare the result by 10th of June. So due to many reasons, it was clear that the board cannot declare the result by 10th of June. So the board declared that the results will be declared by the first week of July. But उसमें भी थोड़ा सा confusion था क्योंकि as it is a very long process and इतना जल्दी process complete करना पूरा assessment का was not that easy. So finally the board has declared the date for your result declaration. So अब इतने सारे announcements and confusions के बाद the board has finally told us that the class 10th and 12th results are likely to be out in July, and this time they have even given the date. So finally the board has announced that the result of HSC and SSC board examination 2020 can be announced by July 15th. So finally we have a date, that is your results can be out by July 15th. So the results for class 12th, that is HSC examinations, may be declared by July 15th. So at least HSC का तो we have a exact date कि July 15th तक आ सकता है. But for SSC they have told that it can be declared by July end. So let's see what happens. But this is the latest news and the latest announcement which is done. And we all are hoping that the results will be declared by the July 15th for HSC and July end for SSC. It is not sure that it will take July end also, Maybe they might declare the result early as well. थोड़ा पहले भी आ सकता है, as they said, but we all are hoping for the best and let's see what happens.